Hello guys, this is Host here and welcome to Wind Birds Wolf Maker. I don't know how to say that first name, but you know what? Doesn't really matter, guys. This is where I can find see today I'm gonna be creating my girlfriend as a wolf. This time my creation videos are mostly getting all the views. My drawing videos are getting all the views. I don't know why. But I'm gonna find to create my girlfriend. So let's get into this. Let's see. Color. Yeah, I think that's right. Close to communities. Well, that wasn't right. Get back. Oh, cool. Okay, let's take one flow back. We're on to head. Our color. That changed very fast. Save this color. There we go. Okay. Hand pupil color is fine. Left eye, right eye. Doesn't really matter about that. Eyes in general. Come on, dude. Those are leg on me again. Come on. Gotta work. Gotta work. But this could be lag on me a lot lately. So you're not doing the lag on me anymore. So, no, it's lagging. It is totally lagging. Oh my god. The lag. There we go. Alright, this lag doesn't stop. I'm gonna just end this video. Because lagging is one thing I hate. See mouth, bone mouth. It's no mouth. This tooth is just no mouth. And I create myself, so I'll show you guys what I look like directly at the end of this video. I hope. If the lag doesn't stop. Which it might never stop. This is what I'm gonna tell. This is what my girlfriend tail is gonna be like. A wolf tail, like always. We're gonna change the color of that. Blue. Take that away. Yeah, okay, that's fine. There we go, that's her tail. Holy shit, lag. But this lag is under control, man. This lag is like really messing me up. Like the lag is like unbearable right now. What do I go and tell? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, Tail, where'd you go? Better come back on. There you go, Tail. All right. We're gonna skipping stuff. Hold on. So I got legs that really mess with me. But I skipping stuff on here, it's probably because I just don't like the lag. Oh god. We can get now. Lag actually stopped. I thought you must bring it back. Please don't bring it back. Wait, so I'm just looking through all this. I don't supposed to stop talking, become concentrating on what I'm trying to do. Alright. Go to the beginning. Alright, what else is here for that one? Ears, left, right. Oh, and inside, inside. No, left, right. Blue and blue. Here we go. My girlfriend's semi-different from mine. We're gonna see mine. You guys see what they I'm talking about. I get the same kind of blue. Boom. Here we go. Okay, nope. What was that? What's on here? Yeah, around there. Right over here. Run. Oh god. Where's the camera? Let's crap. Her eye. I might not miss anything under her eye. Wait, no. Yeah, I know it's under her eye. Let's see the same. Okay. That's not really cool. Back. Wait. Blue. 8. Oh guys, see blue. Honey blue. Blue. Wait. Okay, see what's the little one at? Yeah, this one. But I'll be right to. Here we go. Okay, yeah, okay, that's it for that one. We'll go with your legs. Hold on, no, change this color. Blue. Come on, blue. Ready? So change it black. Blue. There we go. The leg. There we go. Now change this. See blue. See blue. Change it to blue. Go over to the other leg. Change this to white. So guys, this thing starts breaking a bit. We gotta move my computer. What is that changing? Seriously, what is it changing? But forget it. This one we want. Blue. Blue. Yeah, and there it is. Put on you. Roof. Nope. Nope. What am I doing? Holy shit. Blue. And there we go. I think I'm done. Hold on. Let me go to see what else they got. See horns. Little claws. Let's see the claws blue. Yes, I did. Oh god, let me change back to white. There we go, claws. And one last thing. Need to find it. Oh, wait, that's it. I think that's it. Color, robe. Like this. I think a bandana. Other armor. Wait, no, I need that stuff. Get off, get off, get off, get off, get off. What do you got in here? No. Alright, guys, this is the finished version of my girlfriend's wolf. Of what I think she would look like as a wolf. Yeah, this is what I think she would look like. And I never see guys I look like as a wolf. That's me. That's what his head clicked over one screen. That's her and that's me. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh my, I figured going down. Oh. Alright, so guys, make sure to like and subscribe and just do all that good stuff. Tell me what you guys think of what my girlfriend look like and what I look like. And just, yeah. Oh, bye guys.